In this video, I will show you how to send money from Western Union to Afghanistan. So to do this, you want to go and open up the westernunion.com website or open up the app on your phone. From there, simply sign into your account if you already have one, or if you don't have an account yet, then you want to go and sign up, which should only take a few minutes. After doing that, you will likely land on a screen similar to this one. Now from here, you want to click in the search bar and just search for Afghanistan and click on it and then click continue. Now here you can choose how much you would like to send. For example, I will send 100 Canadian dollars, but you can click right here and type whatever you want. Then here you can choose how you want to pay for the transfer. Now for this example, I will go with a bank account, but you can pick any of these. A bank account is usually the fastest option. Then here you can select how the recipient gets the money and you can see how much they receive right there. Now to change the delivery method, which is currently a cash pickup, simply click on it and then here you can pick any other option if it's available for you. In this case, only cash pickup is available and therefore I will select a cash pickup. Then click continue and from here click on add new in the top left to add a new recipient. Now here enter the legal first name, middle name, last name, email address and the phone number of the recipient. Now only the first name and last name are necessary, the other ones are optional. Then after doing that, if you selected to pay with your bank account, then here just select which bank you use and then it will have this pop-up where you can sign into your account and basically add your payment details. Now after doing that, you want to select where the cash pickup location should be and then the money will be delivered to that specific cash pickup location. So review that all the details are correct and if they are, then you want to go and confirm the transfer and the money will be on its way to Afghanistan. So now you know how to send money from Western Union to Afghanistan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.